Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking quick, easy, and healthier. As a 6-in-1 multifunctional air fryer, it offers a variety of cooking options, including air frying, broiling, dehydrating, crisping, roasting, reheating, and baking. Whether you're preparing a crispy batch of fries, broiling chicken, or making a quick dessert, the Vortex Plus can handle it all with ease. With its 6 QD capacity, this air fryer is perfect for larger families or meal prepping, providing ample space to cook for up to 6 people. Its advanced air circulation technology ensures even cooking, delivering crispy, golden results with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. The one-touch cooking presets make it even easier to cook your favorite meals with the touch of a button, eliminating the guesswork and saving you time. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus also comes with 100+ in-app recipes, offering inspiration and guidance right at your fingertips. The app is user-friendly, making it simple to discover new dishes, follow step-by-step instructions, and customize your meals according to your preferences. Cleaning up is hassle-free with the dishwasher-safe baskets and trays, making post-meal cleanup as easy as possible. The sleek black design of the air fryer adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop, and its compact size ensures it fits in most kitchen spaces without taking up too much room. Overall, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL air fryer is an excellent addition to any kitchen, combining multiple cooking functions in one appliance, saving you time, effort, and space, while delivering delicious, crispy meals with less oil. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance designed to provide quick, healthy, and delicious meals with minimal oil. With its 6 QT capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families or individuals looking to prepare large portions of food while saving time and effort. Offering 9 cooking presets, including roast, bake, dry, reheat, frozen, broil, proof, and more, the Cosori air fryer is a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs. Thanks to its fast turbo modes, the air fryer ensures even cooking and crispy results by circulating hot air around the food. This advanced technology allows you to cook your favorite meals quickly and efficiently while reducing cooking times. The temperature control ranges from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing precise heat adjustments for a wide variety of cooking techniques, from slow-proofing dough to quickly searing steaks. One of the standout features of the Cosori air fryer is its ability to cook with up to 95% less oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. You can enjoy crispy, fried-like textures without the excess fat, which makes this air fryer an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthier diet. The air fryer also offers even cooking results across all cooking functions, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The non-stick basket is easy to clean, and the entire unit has a sleek and modern gray finish, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Overall, the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful appliance that delivers fast, even results with less oil, all while offering a range of cooking options for diverse meal prep. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a high-performance, multifunctional countertop oven designed to make cooking faster, easier, and more efficient. Finished in sleek brushed stainless steel, this oven not only delivers exceptional performance but also adds a modern touch to any kitchen. One of its standout features is the Element IQ system, which uses smart technology to distribute heat evenly across the oven, ensuring that your meals are cooked perfectly every time. With 1,800 watts of power, the Smart Oven Air Fryer can heat up quickly, making it ideal for busy kitchens. It offers 13 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and more, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of dishes with ease. The air fryer function, in particular, provides crispy results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier option for preparing fried foods. The 9-speed convection fan ensures fast, even cooking by circulating hot air throughout the oven, while the precise temperature control, from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you flexibility to cook a variety of recipes to perfection. The oven's large capacity can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or a whole chicken, making it versatile enough for families or small gatherings. For easy cleaning, the non-stick interior and removable crumb tray allow for hassle-free maintenance. The LCD display and intuitive controls make operation simple and user-friendly, while the auto shut-off feature ensures safety during cooking. Overall, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile, high-quality countertop oven that can handle everything from baking to air frying, offering precision, convenience, and exceptional results every time. Number 4. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance designed to make cooking healthier, faster, and easier. With its 4-in-1 functionality, this air fryer allows you to air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate a variety of meals using little to no oil. It's perfect for preparing crispy fries, juicy meats, vegetables, frozen foods, and more, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy quick and healthy meals at home. With a 4-QT capacity, the Ninja AF101 is ideal for families or smaller gatherings, offering ample space to cook meals for up to 4 people. Its Even Crisp technology ensures that food is cooked evenly and crisply on all sides, providing results similar to deep frying but with up to 75% less oil. This technology guarantees a healthier way to enjoy your favorite foods without sacrificing flavor or texture. The temperature range on the Ninja air fryer is from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook a wide range of dishes with precision. Whether you're reheating leftovers, baking a quick snack, or air frying crispy chicken wings, the Ninja AF101's easy-to-use controls make it simple to adjust the temperature in cooking time. The compact design ensures that it fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops, making it ideal for small kitchens or apartments. It also features a removable, dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, making cleanup a breeze. The sleek gray finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen while keeping the appliance easy to maintain. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile, easy-to-use, and space-saving air fryer that delivers delicious, healthy meals with minimal oil. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, it's a great tool for preparing quick and nutritious meals. Number 5. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a powerful and innovative kitchen appliance designed to deliver fast, healthy, and flavorful meals with ease. Featuring a 7QT megazone and a basket divider, this air fryer allows you to cook large proteins and full meals simultaneously, making it perfect for family-sized servings. The FlexBasket technology ensures that you can easily air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and more, offering incredible versatility for any meal. One of the standout features of the Ninja DZ071 is its Smart Finish technology, which allows you to cook 2 different foods at once, each with its own cooking settings. This means you can prepare 2 foods at different temperatures or cook them to different levels of doneness, ideal for when you're cooking meat and veggies, or different sides, simultaneously. With its 6-in-1 functionality, this air fryer offers a wide range of cooking options, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and grill. Whether you're making crispy fries, roasting chicken, baking a quick dessert, or dehydrating fruits, the Ninja DZ071 is up to the task. The 7QT capacity is perfect for cooking meals for the whole family, offering enough space to cook larger portions with ease. The Megazone design, combined with the basket divider, allows you to cook two separate foods in the same basket without mixing or contaminating flavors, adding convenience and flexibility to your cooking routine. The easy-to-use digital controls let you adjust time and temperature settings quickly, while the removable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Overall, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket air fryer is an excellent choice for families or anyone looking to prepare quick, healthy meals with minimal fuss. Its smart features, large capacity, and versatility make it a great addition to any kitchen.